the County First Lady Association, and His Excellency the Governor is here. Wapi makofi mazuri kwa Mheshimiwa Governor.
Excellencies, we now proceed to cutting of the ribbon.
Thank you. The Cancer Clinic is officially open.
The First Lady, with His Excellency.
We have our nurses here. We have Jennifer and Ruth.
To the doctor and the next room.
Done the screening. We notice whether it's a plan to be done. Whether it's a plan to be done.
Different ways, other than the normal contemporized chemo. When we get patients with cervical, things are being prepared for patients. They are toxic to the healthcare professional who takes care of patients on a daily basis.
MC Wanjugu ne kugivya gemi. Makofi ya Mheshimiwa Governor, His Excellency Nderitu Mureithi, karibu sana Your Excellency.
Asante Baba wa mbinguni kwa sababu ya neema zako nyingi. Andamana nazi Baba yetu tunapoanza mkutano wetu mpaka tutamatishe.
Asante MC, na kwa sasa kwa heshima napenda kumuuliza
Support group. Good morning. Mko salama? In 1935. So we are, and this coming month, 24th of November, we will actually be Nanyuki Teaching and Referral Hospital. We've opened chemotherapy within Nanyuki. That's the service that we are not providing. We kuwakaribisha to Nanyuki Teaching and Referral Hospital management process, because we're expecting that very soon we will be having oncologists who will be stationed within this facility. Kwa hayo machache ni asante sana na karibuni Nanyuki.
Been with us in the journey, and we have a representative from Beyond Zero, trustee and founder of Africa Cancer Foundation. Tumuongeze makofi tafadhali. Welcome, Your Excellency.
Cervical cancer can be eliminated, and this year we are all out to begin that journey to eliminate cervical cancer. It's the one cancer in this world that can be eliminated.
Gifts. And now, Your Excellencies and invited guests. Thank you, Your Excellencies. Thank you, First Lady from Bomet. Thank you, and from Nyandarua County. And Her Excellency Margaret from Tharaka Nithi. Margaret Bathoni, Tharaka Nithi. And our very own, the Chair County First Ladies Association. Podium, I'd also want to acknowledge that we also had with us.
Thank you for this opportunity to come here and an achievement, and we join you in celebrating other non-governmental organizations in trying to
Appreciate Mr. David, thank you. And now, Your Excellencies, we are talking about cancer. Excellencies, with your permission, there's one lady who was here. She will not talk, but just to acknowledge her humility, please allow me to call upon Dr. Panga from Nanyuki Teaching and Referral Hospital. Asante. Dr. Panga, tafadhali.
For this opportunity, I'd like to move a vote of thanks to God Almighty. So that thank our First Lady, County First Lady, and the Chair of the County wake who set up the clinic in such a short time, this association, because where we are today, she physically was there, become better. Now that we even have more technical support from to us, and for the portal that's available to us. Roche for being with us, support from your access programs. And as you roll out this in the country, I know you'll support this National AIDS Control Council, which supported us out. There's so much that has come with them. The logos, the department of health, which this hospital works under, and the team in the hospital, the standards. I think we even tried so much to keep on redoing and redoing again. Somebody new decoration on their cloth, just know that it is because of the Cancer Empower Center. It is easy to go. And then Nanyuki Cancer Support Group. And yesterday night, I was sitting, and I thank you all, and I wish you all a nice journey as you go back.
CFLA, Her Excellency Nazi Kibuda from Makueni County is also with us for supporting this wonderful project.
I want to say thank you. Thank you very much for honoring me and honoring the people of Laikipia to come today and witness this milestone that we have been able to reach here in Laikipia County. Wananchi watukufu, madaktari, health team nzima, ningependa kuwapa shukran ambayo haina kifani, kwa sababu bila nyinyi hatungekuwa hapa. The health team is very dedicated. Your Excellencies, I'm sure you've seen the amount of work we have been able to do in a very, very short time. It is because of the love of our health team and our health workers for the people of Laikipia and for their own jobs. We really appreciate you. Let me join the other Excellencies, kuwavulia kofia, and to tell you we really value you. Asanteni sana. ICI, thank you very, very much. Tumeshukuru. We know you're going to give us technical support, and we don't take it for granted that you came all the way from Eldoret to be with us. We know with the wonders of technology, we'll be able to do a lot together. And our medical team, you've seen them here. They are ready to work with you, and we are ready to walk this journey with you. Asante sana. I would also like to recognize another partner, that is Beyond Zero. Beyond Zero have walked the journey before us and started it. And that is the success of any story, that what you start must get others to carry on with it. And we have carried on the vision and the mission of our First Lady, Her Excellency Margaret Kenyatta, in ensuring that our people, wherever they are able to get the services that are offered through the Beyond Zero track. Na ndio maana tukiwa Laikipia, mnaona tukizunguka, tukiweza kufanya screening na kusomesha watu na kuwahimiza wajitokeze waweze kutibiwa.
It is of utmost importance that every citizen of Kenya has the possibility to access cancer care and screening close to their home. We know that it is, with cancer, it's not a deadly disease. It can be cured. But the key element of having a chance to be cured is that there is an early detection. And early detection only comes with healthcare services which are close to the people. So this is really a great step, and I'm sure with this launch of today, we can save many lives in the decades to come. I would also remind us that we are having October, which is the Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And with our partners, we could also launch this month, October 2020, the campaign Behind Every Patient. Because we also know that behind every patient there are caregivers. there are family members, there is nurses, there are doctors, pharmacists, pathologists, and they all care about the patients. And we would like to use this opportunity and remind all of us in the October of 2020 also to say thank you. Thank you to every caregiver who stands behind the patients here at every day in their life. Today, with opening this cancer screening clinic, it's already number 6. In 6 counties all over Kenya, we could open Empower clinics, and this is thanks to strong partnerships. Strong partnership first and foremost with the County First Lady Association, strong partnerships also with Women for Cancer, with the African Cancer Foundation, and with the International Cancer Institute. I believe that only these strong partnerships, which enable us to provide comprehensive solutions, will increase the care. And we have shown this now throughout Kenya, and I'm looking very much forward, with your support, to open even more Empower clinics all over the countries in the next weeks and months to come.
We're here really to join hands with you in this journey to combat cancer, which has become now quite a menace. I know right now we are dealing with COVID-19, but cancer has been with us for a while, and it is very menacing. In fact, it's taking more lives than even this recent pandemic. So it's a great concern to us. As Africa Cancer Foundation, we began this journey 10 years ago when Governor Nyong'o, who was then Minister for Medical Services, had prostate cancer. And through our journey, going through the treatment, we realized that we knew very little about cancer. And we also realized that knowledge is power. So as we come to launch this clinic today, it's to give power back to the people. And so as Africa Cancer Foundation, we have been focusing on creating awareness to create the demand from the bottom up, just so that people know how to look out for symptoms, early symptoms of cancer, what to do to avoid getting cancer, because some cancers are caused by lifestyle. So it depends on what you eat, how you live your life, whether you are moving or not. If you're leading a sedentary life, that becomes a problem. And so we have been trying to create this awareness. And then we also started going around the country to screen for cancer, because we realized that early detection saves lives. So we've been screening. Now we've gone into 25 counties and screened about 27,000 people. This year, with the COVID situation, it became very clear to us that not only is screening important, but we also realized that because we could not have the usual public screenings, we realized that this partnership with the County First Ladies Association, whereby we are setting up screening clinics in various county hospitals, was actually the biggest contribution that we could make to our beloved country.
Let me start firstly by congratulating Her Excellency Dorothy Nyong'o and the Africa Cancer Foundation, because she and the foundation have demonstrated what focused and direct action can achieve in a relatively short period of time. This Empower Clinic, for those of you who didn't get a chance to see it, it is inside the hospital complex, and it's a wonderful clinic put together very quickly, and it is the 6th of the 8 clinics that empower clinics that will be completed this year. I think that Dorothy's testimony and an inspiration to all of us that in whatever field we are in, whatever we are doing, let us do our thing and do it well. Mpigieni makofi tafadhali. And I want to appreciate the partners, Roche, ICI, International Cancer Institute, Beyond Zero, the NACC, all the partners who have been part and parcel of what is going on here today. In the last 20 months or so, between January last year and today, this very hospital has recorded 263 cases. And breast and cervical cancer are the leading cancers that we have seen. In the Beyond Zero clinics screening, about 230 suspicious cervical cancer lesions were picked up. And when you look nationally, in terms of the data in the Ministry of Health, in fact, it's a bit scanty, but KEMRI, if you look at the KEMRI registry, KEMRI is suggesting that annually we have something like 48,000 new cancers, maybe 50,000 now, because that is from 2018. And we had, in 2018, 32,000 deaths from cancer. So Her Excellency Dorothy is very correct. If you look at the COVID pandemic and the number of deaths resulting from this disease, comparative or comparing to what has happened with cancer, you can see that our national reaction and our effort should be commensurate. In the same way, we have been putting a lot of effort to slow down the COVID, we should be doing the same to slow down cancer.
The investment of a dedicated clinic to provide screening, diagnosis and treatment complement the efforts of Her Excellency Margaret Kenyatta, the First Lady of the Republic of Kenya. She has continued to promote early detection, screening, diagnosis on breast cancer and cervical cancer for women and prostate cancer for men at the Beyond Zero Medical Safari. The screening services provided at the safaris are free. Her Excellency applauds and appreciates the support and collaboration she receives from the County First Ladies and the role they play in championing causes that promote better health and well-being for women and girls. Her Excellency commits to lend her voice and support initiatives that will steer Kenya to reduce incidence and mortality as well as improve the quality of life of those who develop cancer. Empower, whose acronym stands for Enabling and Motivating Partnerships owned by women who engage and reclaim their lives, has drawn extensive partnerships to include Roche, Women for Cancer, African Cancer Foundation, International Cancer Institute, and other health partners who've made this day possible. Like the project, Beyond Zero's work is also to support collaborative partnerships. Our participation today at this noble event, therefore, is a demonstration of our appreciation for the support that Beyond Zero has continued to receive from county governments. As I conclude, I would like to extend warmest greetings from Her Excellency Margaret Kenyatta, the First Lady of the Republic of Kenya. I thank you once again for inviting Beyond Zero to witness the launch of this project in Laikipia County, and my hope is that this project will transform the drive for awareness and education on breast, cervical, and prostate cancer. Thank you very much. And as I mentioned to the First Lady, that Beyond Zero has provided an opportunity for PET scanning, and we welcome the names of the beneficiaries from Laikipia. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Let's appreciate Angella. Thank you.